Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely 5 bedroom, 6.5 bathroom house for sale. Some features of this house includes 2 car garage, 4 balconies, TV room, spacious living room, dining room, breakfast nook, study area, laundry room, solar water heater, generator, 3 1,000 gallon water tanks, storage and automatic gate. This beautiful house is nestled in the cool hills of Stirling Castle, Red Hills, and is just 7 minutes from the Total gas station at the foot of the hill. This beautiful house, with views of the hills and heart of the city, has mesh doors, windows, and entertainment balcony, ideal to call your home. The land area of this house is approximately 20,710 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 67 million or US $435.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.